Good afternoon, guys. So today we're gonna do the second segment of how do we draw Venn diagrams and shape them in. So the first segment was me doing all the odd numbers from the exercise that I gave you. So this segment will just focus on me doing the even numbers from the second part of the exercise. So I'll start from 14 because we've already done 12, and then I'll do 16, then 18, and 20 and 22, right? So number 14 asks us to draw A union with B union with the complement of C. So how do you go about doing this? So you draw your events first, A and B and then C, right? And then now you start by doing the first two there. How do you draw A union with B? That just means you draw everything that is A. You shade in everything that is A. And you shade in everything that's B. So this includes the part that touches some of the C as well. Right? So now we're done that. Now we need to draw the complement of C. So the complement of C is just everything beside C. So that's C there. So now we need to shade in everything else beside that C. Let me use another color. Just as bad, actually. So I'm not gonna shade the A and B again because I already know it's obviously shaded, right? So that's how it's gonna look. I have A union with B union with the complement of C, right? So that's number 14. Let's do number 16. Number 16, we're asked to draw B, is it union? B intersecting C, complement of that, union with A. So how do we do this? So we have A, B, and C, right? So think about it. B and C, where do B and C intersect? Think about it. If you have to pause the video, pause the video. B and C, where does B and C overlap? It's just a small area here, right? So you did the first part, but this wants the complement of it. So just label this. This is B intersecting C. So now the complement of this, let's draw it this side. A, B, C. Remember, so we're now trying to draw every other thing beside that small area there. So let's shade in there. That's all of this. There we go. And so if you notice, that's the only thing that's not shaded there. And so what is this? This is B intersecting C, but the complement of it, right? But remember, we still have the union of A there. So just go into the same picture and now shade in everything that is A as well. So all of this are A. So literally the only thing that's not shaded is that small area there where B and C actually intersect, right? So you label this. I'll put union A there. So that's example 16. Hope you understand. Let's do example 18. Let me just erase this. What does 18 want from us? 18 asks for B union with A intersecting C. So this is what 18 asks us. Example 18. And how do we draw this? You start with the brackets, guys. Well, I prefer starting with the brackets there. So if there's no brackets, then you work from left to right. But if there's brackets, then you start with the brackets. So if this is A, that's B, and that's C, then what is A intersecting C? A intersecting C is this small area right here. I hope you can see it. Right, it's that small area there. And so let me label this. That's A intersecting C. But this needs to be union with B now. So now what that means is that you go to B and you shade in all of B. So that's B. So it looks something like that. So that's intersection of A union with B. Good? Alright, so let's do example 20 now. 20, what have we asked? We asked B intersecting, so the only thing that changes is that that becomes an intersection and the one inside becomes a union. So now I want union of A and C and I want it to intersect with B. So remember, when you have intersection, guys, put this into your head somewhere. Whenever you have intersection, you need to draw two pictures to see it. And then from the two pictures, look at them and ask yourself, where do these two pictures overlap? So what I mean is, you obviously need to draw A and B and C. Alright, so I'm going to draw the A and C union. A and C union is just all of A, right, and all of C. That's A and C union. Oh well, that's the union of A and C. And this side, I'm going to draw what B is. Well, I'm going to shade B. Alright. B is quite simple. We all know what B is. You just shade in all of the circle of B, including the ones that overlap with the C and the A. Right? Then now you look at your two pictures. Right? Ask yourself, where does this picture, or where does the shadings this side overlap with the shadings that side? I'll show you. So this is my final drawing. A, B there, just erase this there. C, right? And if you look closely, the only part where they actually intersect is that small area. So it's this area going down to some of C.